Is it going to necessarily be effective if we put that whole phrase in AI?
No.
Maybe not. So in my classroom, my goal is to use artificial intelligence to be able to personalize learning more for every student. So the trajectory that I'm looking at is specifically using chatbots and using the creative use of generative AI tools like Adobe Express to give my students opportunities to create, to express understanding of content, and to have sort of that simulated conversational interaction that a chatbot can bring. We have a lot of multilingual learners, and many of our students are experiencing a little bit of that COVID gap. So what we see in sixth grade classrooms now is just this real range of reading levels, but the vast majority of students do need literacy supports in order to comprehend text, particularly if it's complex text. Today's lesson used an English learner strategy called visual summaries. So English language learners or multilingual learners really benefit from having non-text representation of what they're reading. Typically, we would have done this with having students sketch pictures, but rather than going that route, we're thinking future forward and using generative AI for students to be able to prompt effectively to get images that accurately represent key moments in the story. So students examined 4 key excerpts today in class and were able to prompt AI through multiple iterations to create some images that accurately portray the story. And then their next step is to be able to have that level of comprehension available to them to be able to summarize the text and analyze the conflict, analyze the character and kind of describe their development in the story, and then make some reasonable inferences based on the action that was occurring. This is really important for English language learners, multilingual learners, and for struggling readers as well, so that they're able to really digest and understand what's happening in those key moments of the story.